In this video, I'll cover how Tough-Tongue AI can be used as a white label solution. So we are primarily used in two ways by businesses. One is that you can create an organization, which we have already covered in a different video. But the second way is that you can embed Tough-Tongue AI within your platform. And some of the example here is, for example, this company that uses Tough-Tongue AI to conduct interviews. So in that case, if you go and begin interview, Tough-Tongue AI here is embedded as an whole experience that you can go and start you. So once I go and join the interview, I can start. The second is that this, for example, is an example repo that we have created where Tough-Tongue AI is embedded again as scenarios on what users could practice. Another example is that this company, which has a marketing landing page where SDR demo has been attached, where this user has cloned his voice and presents the product in their own terms. So all of these examples rely on an iframe embedding. So all of these integrations rely on our iframe, which you can access through the integrate page. To go to any scenario, so go to any scenarios, go to integrate page, and here you have multiple options. So basic, minimal, and full. Full style has all the features that we support, including like artifact panel where you can open slides, images, and all. And then once you go and click to the show code, so this shows the whole code that you can just copy. And you can attach all these parameters here to control the look and feel. For example, voice, CSS color for name, background, theme, dark and light, what kind of avatar you want to add. Similarly, button dynamics, behavior, if you want to skip auto start, skip certain volume, don't want to transcribe, what kind of user information you want to collect. So let's say in this URL itself, you want to add user information and all that we need to collect. All of that is possible. And anytime you can engage with this platform, you also get certain events that you can use to create event-driven platform, for example. You see that here there is an on-click event, and as soon as it starts, there is an on-start event. And once I pause it, then there is on-stop event. So let's say you are building an application on top of us, you can catch those events and accordingly create a movement on your application. For example, on-stop, you can take the user away to an analysis page or a different page. On-click, maybe you show certain count or feedback. So all of that is possible. Similarly, you can collect data on this page, so you can have pop-up to collect information from the user before going here. So that's the iframe integration, which is the most users use. There is another form of integration that you could do. So for any scenario that you go, you can also go to the meeting bot, go to the widget and enable the widget. So in this case, you get the widget like this, a floating button. You can choose dark and light theme here. You can set email allow list. And this again, you can just with this script tag put on any website, and this will be available to you. And in this case, if you engage, so for example, let's say I add my email. So it starts the meeting on a Google Meet case. So let's say you want user to engage and see your demo and other cases. This could happen on Google Meet.
Bonjour, asseyez-vous. J'ai 10 minutes devant moi. Je vous écoute.
So I don't know French, but this was a French scenario that I used. So that's why you saw that. So try it out. Let me know what you think of it. If you have any question, drop that in comments. Thank you so much.